In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Temu order after payment. First, let's begin by opening the Temu app on your device. This is the app where you initially placed your order. It's crucial to start here because all the necessary account information and order details reside within the app. Once the app is open, make sure you are logged into your account. This ensures you have access to your order history and all related functionalities. Now tap on the section labeled You. This section typically contains your personal account information and settings. It's essentially your hub within the app. By accessing this area, you can view and manage your interactions on the platform. Next, you'll want to tap on your orders. This is where you'll see a list of all the orders you've placed. It's helpful to have this list because it provides a clear overview of your past and current transactions. Here, you can identify the specific order you wish to cancel. Take a moment to locate the correct order, as this step is critical. Once you've found the specific order, look for the option that says Return/Refund. Tap it. This option is significant as it begins the process of canceling your order and potentially securing a refund. It's important to note that in some cases the option might be labeled slightly differently, but it generally leads to the same process. After selecting Return/Refund, tap on Cancel Order. This action signals your intent to cancel the transaction. By doing this, you're effectively notifying Temu that you no longer wish to proceed with the purchase. It's a straightforward step, but crucial for stopping the order in its tracks. Now you will need to follow the return instructions provided. These instructions are typically straightforward and guide you through the final steps of the cancellation process. This might involve confirming your decision or providing a reason for the cancellation. It's essential to complete these steps to ensure the process is finalized. This step is important because it reassures you that your request has been registered and processed properly. You might also receive a confirmation message or email that your order has been successfully canceled. This confirmation acts as proof that the transaction has been halted and is no longer active. Remember that the timing of your cancellation can affect whether you receive a full refund or not. It's best to act as soon as possible if you decide not to proceed with an order. This proactive approach can save you potential issues with returns and refunds in the future. With that ready, you've now successfully navigated the process of canceling a Temu order after payment. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your cancellation request. This will ensure that you're informed of any further steps or developments. And there you have it. You've completed the process of canceling an order on Temu smoothly and efficiently. I hope this guide has been helpful and provides you with the clarity you need for handling similar situations in the future. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.